what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tianna Squarrel. If you guys are new, please hit the subscribe button right down below. Follow by clicking the bell that's right next to the subscribe button so you're notified on every single video I upload. And lastly, give me a thumbs up and share this video because you're my bestie. Alright you guys, so getting started, I just want to let you guys know that I have a new camera. One, I'm hot as hell, and then two, my laptop is sitting right under the camera and it's making this weird like wind sound or whatever, like the fans are like going off, I guess because my laptop was about to die and I just plugged it up. So if you hear that in the background, I'm apologizing in advance, but frankly I'm trying to get a video out for you guys. So and as you guys can see in back of me, like this is part of the process of my beauty room being almost done. We got it painted, we got my vanity behind me, we got my shelf behind me. All I have to do is just get my curtains up or whatever. If you guys want to see a beauty room tour, give me a thumbs up down below and I'll do a beauty room tour next. Hold on, wait, my eyeliner. But today guys, we're going to be doing a perfume collection slash how to smell good on a budget guys. I'm going to be sharing with you some of my top favorite perfumes that I buy. Tuxedo, he's like trying to play in the bag while I'm right here filming. This is the life of being a cat mom. Yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna be doing a perfume collection today and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I smell good on a budget. You guys know me, you know I love to save my coin, you know I love to not spend a lot of money if I don't have to. So with my perfumes, I like to kind of get them on the cheaper side. Not to say that I don't have a few high-end perfumes, but normally all my perfumes are always from this one particular place. So I'm going to be telling you guys all that so you guys can learn how to save your money and still smell good. So if you guys want to know some of my tips and tricks and my favorite perfumes that I normally wear, then you might want to stay tuned. Okay guys, so starting off with my perfume collection, I want to give you guys a heads up right now. Every single perfume that I have in this video is probably from one particular place. About 99% of, okay, 98% of the perfumes that I have in this collection is literally from the same place, and that place is going to be Zara's. You guys are probably like, Zara's, you get all your perfumes from Zara's, like that's a cheap ass place, why you getting your perfumes from Zara? And frankly it's because like Zara's has really good perfume and they're one, inexpensive, and they last super long. I don't really like to buy perfumes from Bath & Body Works or like Victoria's Secret. Like I'll buy a fragrance mist from them here and then, but my actual go-to perfume collection is all from Zara's. And then I have one other perfume that's from another store. My sister actually put me on to Zara's perfume. She was wearing a lot of Zara's perfume and I used to be like, yo, like why do you smell so good? Like what is that smell that you have on? And she showed me like perfume that she had and she was like, oh, and I'm like, okay, well where you get it from? And she's like, I got it from Zara's. So with that being said, sis went and picked her up all these perfumes from Zara, and then the last time I was in LA, I smelled one and I was like, yo, Zara's never does me wrong. So I'm gonna be sharing you guys my top favorite perfumes from Zara's, and yes. So my first and all-time favorite perfume from Zara's is going to be the Black Panini. This perfume I think retails for about $25. All these perfumes retail for around $25 or less. So even if I don't say the price for the perfume, just know that it's around $25, $30. But yeah, Black Panini is really good. It's like a really sweet, musty smell. Again, okay, so giving you just a little heads up, I like more of like a musty, not musty, but like a manly smell with like floral undertones to it. That's the perfume that I like. So yeah, so the Black Panini, it's my favorite perfume to go if whether I'm going on a date or whether I'm just wanting to just smell good on my everyday. This is my go-to perfume for every single day. Like this is like I said, my everyday perfume. I literally wear this all the time. If I'm going out to dinner, if I'm going on a date, this is my go-to perfume because like I said, it lasts all day. I also have the roll-on one. It's in my pocketbook downstairs, so I don't really feel like going to get it, but I have the roll-on one too, so you know this one is like my go-to one. And like I said, I wear this all the time and it does me justice. It never, like when I'm outside and people are like, well, what do you have on? Like, why do you smell so good? Or if I'm around a friend and they're like, well, why do you smell so good? Like, what is it? I'll always let them know Black Panini is it. So guys, if you're on the market for like a new perfume, I definitely think checking this one out. Like if out of all these perfumes that I'm going to mention in this video, I believe that this one is my all-time favorite. So the next perfume that I wear generally a lot is going to be the Cashmere Rose one. Also retails for about $25. This one is also like a sweet, musty smell. Like I said, all these perfumes in this video either are going to be very floral or very like more of like a musk smell, like a manly smell, but has like floral undertones. So like all these perfumes are like that. More of like a special occasion perfume. I don't really wear this one too often, but this is like a good one. Like I said, Black Panini has to be my favorite one, but this one is a really good perfume that if you're just like going to brunch, or if you're going somewhere that's really important and you want to smell really good and you want a perfume that's gonna last you all day, this is it. Like I said, I don't really wear this one a lot, but this one is one of my top favorites from Zara's, so check it out. So going into my next perfume that I got from Zara's, it's going to be the Wonder Rose. And as you can see, this bottle is a little bit dusty. That's mainly because I don't really wear this one all the time. Again, like once I find a perfume that I really like, I kind of like stick to that one for a while, and that's how it is with the Black Panini. I normally wear the Black Panini one all the time. The Wonder Rose one again has that floral undertone with that manly type of smell as well. It smells really good. A lot of my friends actually like this one. Anytime somebody comes over and they're like, I need something to throw on really fast, give me some perfume or something like that to throw on, this is the one they normally go to, which is crazy because I would expect them to go to the Black Panini because this is the one that's like my all-time favorite. But a lot of people always go to this Wonder Rose. So if you're into like fluorescents but they're not too strong, definitely check out Wonder Rose because this one will set you straight. Into my next favorite perfume is gonna have to be the Dear Lilac. I actually picked up from the Zara's at what was it, Zara's at the Grove. This is where I picked this one up at. I'm sure they have it at all the Zara's, but this is like, you know, so special to me because I got it at the Grove, you know. It smells really good. It's really dope. Again, this one retails for about $25, and like I said, this one does you justice. It does everything you need to do. I don't really reach for this one too much because it's too much of a floral scent. Like I do love floral scents, but I like it to have like a strong smell as well. I don't like it to be like just straight fruities, and this one is like that. My friend actually picked it up and I smelled it and I was like, yo, this smells mad good, so I picked it up. But I don't really wear this one every single day. Like I can't wear all these perfumes every day, but I do wear it enough. As you can see, like it is missing some, but to say I wear it every day, that would be a lot. So my next one that I really like, and I'm actually gonna spray some of this on right now. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, is the Gourmet Addict. This one smells freaking phenomenal. It smells so good. Like you saw me just spray it on right now. This one is another one that I wear only on special occasions. I don't really wear this every day because I don't feel like it's an everyday perfume. Unless you're into super strong perfumes every day. I'm not into that. But she does good. If you want to get a man and you want to smell good on your first date with that man, get you this. Get you this or get you Black Panini. If you're trying to be saucy, but not too like, you know what, straightforward, get you Black Panini. But if you want to be, I'm trying to steal you, I'm trying to take you home, and I'm trying to rock your world tonight, get you this one. And thank me later. When you're walking down that aisle with your new man and you're like, it's all because Tianna told me to get that Zara's perfume. You better be subscribing to my channel after that. That's all I gotta say. Period. Alright, you guys, so we're winding down and we're almost done with my perfume collection because, guys, I don't have too many perfumes. Like I said, when I get a perfume, I like to just stick to that one. And yeah, so my next favorite perfume from Zara's, of course, this whole video was about Zara's. They might as well just sponsor me at this point. This one is called Orchid Intense. This one smells really good. Let me spray it on my arm because I can't actually remember. Yeah, this one is more of like a going to like the beach or something like that. Like you just need to throw something on really quick. That one is for sure. I haven't worn that one in a while because, like I said, that's not an everyday perfume. But I do like it a lot. It's just like whatever mood I'm in is what perfume I go for. I'm in a mood to smell super good. And like, well, all of them smell good, so whatever. I'm always in a mood to smell good, you feel me? But if I'm in a mood to smell really intense, that one out of all my perfumes is the most intense perfume I have. It's really strong. And it does everything you need to do. This one is from Zara's as well, and this one is called Cashmere Rose. There's another one. It kind of reminds me of Black Panini a little bit. Let me smell it. It kind of reminds me of Black Panini, but then it doesn't. But yeah, Cashmere Rose smells really good. My last perfume is not from Zara's, and it is on the more pricier side. This one ranges from, I think, like $70 to almost like $100 and something. I'm not exactly sure the exact price, but It's from Lancome and it's called Les Was Belle. I think that's how you say it. This is not the one that I normally wear. Actually, it's almost gone. I had this since Christmas, but this is not the one that I normally will wear. Gary got the wrong one, so shout out to him. This is another one. It's like a different scent almost, but it smells like the one that I wear. Though I wear the one that just has the I wear the one that's more smooth on there and doesn't have like this scratchiness on there. But this one actually surprised me because when I first smelled it, I was like, oh my god, this smells like Pepto-Bismol. But after a while of wearing it, it kind of won me over. This is not a perfume you can wear every day. I'm just gonna say that right now. This perfume, like a lot of these other perfumes, are perfumes that you probably have to wear when you're going somewhere. The one that I recommend wearing every day would have to be, like, again, I can just keep on plugging Black Panini. Black Panini, or Jer Lilac, or Cashmere Rose. Like I said, all these perfumes does the job. If you're on the market to smell good on a budget, these are some really good ass perfumes to get. The only one is really more pricier is the one from Lancome. But again, like if you don't have to get the Lancome one. The one that I, like I said, I would really recommend would have to be the Black Panini. So guys, that's my perfume collection. That's what I normally wear on a day-to-day. These are perfumes that I really recommend. Out of all of them, like I said, I would definitely recommend for you guys to at least get Black Panini and Dear Lilac. Those ones are really, really good. They're really inexpensive. Like this big bottle of perfume only costs around like $25, $30 at the most. You can't lose from buying this perfume. If you don't want to buy them and you just want to just go into the store and just smell them, I definitely recommend you going to your local Zara's and just like smelling these perfumes because they smell really, really good and they do what you need them to do, guys. So yeah, that's gonna conclude my video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. If you want me to do a skincare routine or any other beauty videos or smell good techniques or whatever, comment down below. Let me know the next video that you guys want me to do and I'll be back with more videos. I love you guys so much. Again, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.